Hey, good morning, traders. It is Thursday, October 27th, 8:52 a.m. So we've got about 40 minutes to the open here, and here are your morning ideas. Okay, so if we look back at yesterday, we're looking at again ES here, and we actually still have the drawings up from yesterday where we were talking about as we came into the morning ideas yesterday. This is the 15-minute view. We said that we were looking for some kind of a pullback early on to come back down to the level from the previous day, and then rally and clean up a little bit of this weak profile up here. We'd want to see the profile even out a bit more and be more balanced. Well, when we opened, we kind of went straight up and did that right away, and you can see it was done at 11:30, and then we've pulled back the rest of the day. So my drawing looked more like up, pull back, then up, and then pull back down into the middle, and that's really what we've done. And now what the VPOCs from yesterday and today so far in the overnight session are right on top of each other. So this is really what we were expecting to see because of all of the resistance here from in a back and forth kind of month. We're at the second standard deviation, and there's just an area where we expect to see that resistance above. So we're trading right at 38.50 right now. Uh, I don't know that a whole lot has changed here. I can see that the volume is a little bit less than normal at 85%. You can see down here in that right panel, the bottom right panel, we're at 85%, and let me get rid of that. And nothing really for me has changed here. I would expect to see more of the back and forth kind of action that we've been seeing as we close the month. We may get a little bit of a rally into the end of the month, just because again we started the month down here. If you look at this, if I make this bigger, we started the month down here, and we may get that window dressing to keep us higher into the end of the month. So, with that said, I don't see a big driver to drive this market higher with all of the skepticism right now in the world about inflation and the Fed, having to continue to hike rates. It's really drugged the market. You can see here since the beginning of the year, the market's really been dragging. And so I'd like to see the market move higher, and kind of hold on to higher prices. Seems like this will be a test because we're at the second standard deviation here for the month. Um, at this point, I would expect to see the market push lower back into the middle instead of the market, rallying higher. But this is going to be a good kind of inflection point for the market. And I'm taking a wait and see approach here, but I'm certainly not chasing longs up here, guys. If you guys are chasing the market higher, I think that you could be in trouble with a market that gives you that head fake and then pulls back into the middle. Okay, so I'll leave it at that. Again, I don't think that this is a market you can really chase trends. It looks to me more mean reverting with the definitely in this direction down. Okay, so the bias for me is in this direction down until the market can show me something and hold on to higher prices for a longer period of time. Okay, I'll leave it at that, guys. Again, it's Thursday, October 27th. Thank you for watching.